Hello, my name is Anju Narayan and I am a fashion designer based in Lucknow. I own the label Myra by Anju Narayan. Our forte lies in creating various silhouettes, contemporary garments using the traditional crafts of Lucknow, namely the chikankari, mukesh, zardozi, etc. So the name Myra means an aristocratic lady. So it's very interesting. I was always very passionate about hand embroidery. And when I got married and came into Lucknow, I was introduced to chicken. I instantly fell in love with this craft. And more so because it empowers women, which is very, very dear to my heart. And I really loved working with women. Since it was a hobby, I just started with 25,000 rupees and we just did a small collection of 40 garments. And we were a total sellout. Hence, then, it has been 10 to 12 years been into this business, and now the journey that if I see behind has been very, very beautiful, experiential, and with a lot of learning. I have been very fortunate to get many opportunities for Myra. For example, way back in 2011, I was selected to design saris for the grand finale of the Femina Miss India regional round, which was held here in Lucknow. So I've never looked back. In fact, the Vogue wedding show came looking for me as a designer because they had heard a lot about Myra. Another big feather on Myra's cap is the participation at the Lakme Fashion Week. So it was really a very different experience, and to be there amongst all the designers was something which really boosted my confidence and gave me a lot of inspiration. And one incident that comes into my mind is an interaction with the ace designer Tarun Tahiliani. I am in complete awe of him, and his stall was in the next pavilion as mine. So I just told him, Tarun, I would like to, intern with you for 15-20 days, and I would just want to learn about the skills, the various skills that go into making a garment. He looked at me and he said, Ki Anju, if you're wearing such a beautiful outfit and you've designed it yourself with such lovely placement, you don't need a Tarun to intern with. This was such a boost for my career because I don't have a professional qualification as a fashion designer. So in fact, I would like to encourage more and more women out there to follow their passion, follow their dreams, and let this fire live alive in you always.